Timu ziryo mu kwetebekana Saramu St Elizabeth hamwe na Buremba Secondary School zisinjira impaka za volleyball kandi ezi nzija kwegitoho ezindi umushanju z'abojo hamwe n'itano z'abishiki. Rero mu kubaka timu ine ziri mu Kibasi High School, St Benedict, Maryhill hamwe na Mbarara Ame nazo zirabireho. Handball harimo Ntare School, Mbarara High School na Kitunga hamwe na Kizoba Girls, Maryhill High School na Bweranyangi Girls. Rero Woodball harimo Kyamate Secondary School, Ruyonza School, Mbarara High School, Kitagata na Ntare School kandi Shema Girls na Mbarara High School ziryo mu mazina.
Boys category, that's handball. Congratulations, Tari. We are so proud of you.
Well, twine iriho ringi ryo kuleta ekikopo cha originals omurundo gundi nkuko twabatuturana tukireta konka mweno hati twashimerwa munonga ntisima na ruhanga abo kutuwera katubasa katuhamani kandi tukagaruka tukatwara ekikopo cha originals.
Nkabebembezi b'ishomero n'abazire b'ishomero twashemerwa munonga tware ekikopo cha netball cha region.
It was our first time to participate in the championship ball games too. The team ya volleyball yabishi for the first time that participate in district.
Turatshemerirwe nkitwa mu Ntera High School Kitunga twara ekikopo cha under 16 for the first time.
Next year tuije na mani kugira ngo now we are able to compete and participate seriously kugira ngo turabemu shange twaza national.
Emizane netandike sandere kwijo mu rutororo kandi neija kumara 2 kuhinda kandi neija kore kwa butuna ha TV West. Abwa TV West nda Alogias byamukama.